Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing some products that are alike, and that's gonna be a glowy situation that we're gonna have going on here. Today I'm going to talk about dupes for the CoverGirl liquid highlighters. You see these bad boys? Do you see these bad boys? I know you see them, girl. I know. There has been a couple companies who have come out with different types of liquid highlighters. Now, I love these. These were the first ones I've ever owned. I enjoy these so much. I love the metallic look. Now, I did get my face done. I pretty much got my entire face done except for my lips, and I didn't set my face because if you know, you shouldn't put liquid highlighters on top of powder. It'll break the foundation. Something you should know. Just so you know. I have to tell a couple people a couple times already, but we're gonna leave that for another day. Anyways, today I'm gonna compare it to the Wet n Wild. This is their Hello Halo liquid highlighters. We're gonna see if this compares to this, and we just can't stop at two. We just can't. We're gonna use Makeup Revolution as well. This is their Luminous Gold liquid highlighter. Now I'm gonna try it in different parts that I highlight. I don't have a lot of parts, so we're gonna try to make this work, okay? And I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts if these are good bargains for the Cover FX, because if you do not know, Cover FX is it's pretty expensive. Yeah. And you know, possibly give some people out there affordable options. So we gonna see. Now I did already get my face done, so I did use Dream Cushion foundation, and it doesn't say whatever. This was my foundation today. I used the Hangover Too Faced primer. I went in with my matchsticks. No, not the highlighter one, but I did use Mocha for contouring, and I used the Bamboo for highlighting. For eyebrows today, I used my Winky Lux. You see them eyebrows? I know you see them. I'm being stupid today. I'm in that mood. And for my eyes, I went in with a very simple look. As you can see, there's not a lot. Here, let me zoom you guys in. Let's zoom you guys in. See what's going on there? It's not a lot of colors. It looks nice, right? I know it does. I use the Estee Lauder. I'm going to zoom you guys back. I use the Estee Lauder. This is from last year. This is Estee Edit, and it came in a collection with highlighter. I absolutely love the highlighter, but I went ahead and gifted it to my mom because I have enough highlighters in my life. And I went in with this color right here. It's like this brownish color. It's called, I hope it's called Wavy, but that's the color right here. You see that? Such a beautiful brown color. And what I did is I put that all over the lid, and then I took like a crease brush and I buffed it out into my crease, put it on my under eyes. For lashes today, I used the Tarter Lash Paint Mascara, which I've been loving. If you can see, it's been, you know, doing this thing. Yeah. On my lips, I don't have anything, but I did put a little bit of a lip sleeping mask earlier, so they kind of look like something going on there. Ain't nothing going on there. So if you guys want to see, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't. And keep on watching. Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm going to find a common denominator. Denominator. There we go. And I have 3 colors in Cover FX. I have the Halo one, which I use more for like a fun event. It is, there it goes. Pretty cool. I like this. I have also the Milk highlighter. I only use that for like great events. I also have the Moonlight one, which is kind of like it's a gold. And then I have their pinky tone one, which is called Blossom. I want to choose one that equals mostly all of my other liquid highlighters. So we're not going to test all the colors out. We're going to go for one common denominator. We are going to try it out, and we are going to see if if it matches up, if it doesn't. Now for here, common denominator I have is what is this called? Gilded Glow. So it kind of looks like my Cover FX. And then for this one, we're going to use Luminous Gold. I have a couple of other colors, but we'll get into that another day. And to highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my brushes. I really don't like using the sponges for this. I don't know why. It's weird. So I'm gonna use this brush. Let's see if it works. It's taking long. I'm gonna say like around $42. This right here was like $10, and this right here like $6. Thought that's a big price difference, guys. Like really big difference. So to start off, this one comes with 0.5 fluid ounces. This one comes with 0.61, and this one comes with 0.5 as well. So these two are same fluid. This one gives you a little more. And we're going to see. I'm going to give you guys swatches of it to see if this, this could work out. I'm opening up all of them. And if you guys didn't notice that in Wet n Wild, delivery method is a little different. It's this. I think that's pretty cool. I like that. It goes right direct in the face. Don't get me wrong, I love the pumps. Thought they were, but we like using the easy way. And if you don't know, a little goes a long way. So let me swatch these for you. If you guys can see. This one is Cover FX, this one is Wet n Wild, and this one is Makeup Revolution. They all have that same color. Really like that. Thought that was really cute. Alright guys, so we're gonna start. Yes, I'm rolling my sleeve because we're about to get dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Cover FX one right here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. So you guys are able to see that glow. Let's get started. I got my mirror here, so I'll be looking a little down. I think I overdid it. Let's go. Highlighter up there, and that's it blended out. I like that. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution one. I'm gonna put it here, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the Wet n Wild down the nose part on my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna put it here as well. So you know what I'm trying to do here. So now for Makeup Revolution, it's also a dropper. It's a little different than the one. I'm gonna back up a little so you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so this is Cover FX, and this right here is Makeup Revolution. So far, they're both very blinding. I want to take a closer look. The thing I like about it is that there's no glitter. It looks very skin finish, like a glow within. It's glowy as AF. We're just gonna say AF. But it's glowy. We ain't gonna knock it. But it doesn't look like it's sitting on top of the skin. The thing I like about this is that it sinks in the skin and looks very, very natural. Do you have to set it? Yes. But one thing you should know when you set these, it sets into a powder form. So it's still glowy. Now I'm gonna move you guys back closer so we could do this this Wet n Wild game. And I think I'm gonna just use my finger a little bit on the middle. I don't like. I'm gonna use a brush to blend that out. Guys, don't try this at home. Okay? Don't. Look at this. I look like, you know, you need to put me in a billboard because my skin I look amazing. I like it. No, I like it. I like it. So, my thoughts are that I personally think it's what you want. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys, I know you guys can't see, but the Cover FX one looks very glittery. But when it hits the skin, it's not. It's like, I don't know. You know, maybe I should give y'all another swatch. Let's see. Oh, it just dripped everywhere. But it's metallic. Look at that. Look at that. And it's like you can keep just going. Just, you know, keep going, girl. I like all three of them, which is why I own so many of them. Overall, I think they are great dupes so far. If you can see, they all give that same metallic feeling you want, and it just melts to the skin so beautiful. It didn't mess up anything that I had going on under, didn't disturb it, and overall that's pretty amazing. I don't know. I would just say it's depending on the type of person you are. Will I say the Cover FX is a little more blinding? Yes, it is. But if you notice that in the middle of my face, there's this intense glow, and that's from Wet n Wild, and I think that's pretty amazing. As well as Makeup Revolution, you just get that pop. It gives that amazing dewy look because my face is not set, and now I don't want to set it because I just, you girls know what I'm telling y'all. Y'all like this. I like this. They're all great. So there's really nothing. This is what you want. You can all of them. You can buy one of them. I think they all work the same way. I know there's an iconic one out there, iconic London. I've been wanting to order. I get scared of ordering internationally, but I'm thinking about doing it to give it a try. I hear that one you can use on top of powder as well, and it won't disturb whatever's going on down here. So I appreciate that because I'm a little klutz. Like I'll speed through my makeup look and it's nothing, and then forget that I wanted to wear a liquid highlighter before I set my face, and sometimes it's just a little frustrating that I have to go through that, but it is what it is. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna go and finish my look. I really appreciate you guys tuning in today to see this video. Like I said, all of them are pretty amazing. I like them all. They are all glass bottles. That's something else you need to know. I haven't seen a plastic one yet, so I don't know if you guys, I don't know. I wouldn't, it's a little hard because if you want to travel on plane, you might not be able to take these with you. That creates a little bit of an issue, but you'd have to be a little more secure within how you handle your bags. Probably put it in a bag that's separate. I think that's the only nitpick I have with it, really, but they're highlighters. I don't have issues. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your day. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you're feeling very generous today. Thank you. Mwah.